I'm now in conversation with Gautam Rajesh Shelley. He's the founder and CEO at AiSensy, and we're here on the sidelines of the AWS AI Conclave in Bengaluru. Gautam, thank you so much for being here and for talking to us in this special segment. First up, you've been an early mover in the AI space. You've done a lot of work in LLMs as well. So tell me, what's the difference in the landscape now as opposed to earlier?
Thanks a lot, Sumit, first of all, for having me. I think a lot of things have changed with the evolution of LLMs coming into the play, right? I remember we used to build chatbots based on NLP, right? And there used to be a lot of training to help the system or the chatbot understand, what is the meaning of a word in a sense, or provide them similar words to train the bot in a sense, right? Like initially you used to tell it that price, cost, and all of these are synonyms to each other. We used to set up context, entities, and a lot of stuff to be given to the engine, right? Like a dialog flow or something, or or whatever we used to do, Rasa or something, right? So now with the advent of LLMs such as Llama, right, a lot of things have changed in terms of understanding. First of all, right, the system already understands price, cost, this, that, all the meanings, they already have it. So it becomes much easier, to train an LLM on any set of data, and building complex chatbots have become much easier at this point of time.
Gautam, when you're talking about AI, how are you kind of facilitating your customers to leverage that AI so that they can also expand their reach? Because I mean, at the end of the day, they do want to expand.
Definitely. I'll give you an example, right? We launched ticketing on WhatsApp for Delhi Transport Corporation. So all the DTC buses that you see in Delhi, Gurgaon, Noida, they can book a ticket via WhatsApp. Now,
wow.
First of all, it's an AI-based chatbot. We have booked more than 2 million tickets via that chatbot journey. It has a web view functionality. Payments are collected within WhatsApp, and it is vernacular, so Hindi, English, and you can type anything out on it. It's an AI-based chatbot that you can, ask for a ticket, and you'll get a ticket instantly within 3-4 steps. So I think these are the examples that we are helping. We have onboarded more than 100,000 businesses today on the AiSensy platform, right? Namely PhysicsWala, Vivo, Skullcandy, Adani. All of these are a part of our customer list, and we've been helping them with WhatsApp chatbots. Also, we launched something called template message generator. Right?
Okay.
So a lot of businesses were struggling with, what kind of a message should they generate, what kind of message should they broadcast to their customers. So since we have a better understanding of, what kind of messages really work, we have a template message generator using based on Gen AI, which can actually generate a very good message for you.
Because that is most important, Gautam, because now, even if you're a small business or a large business, that message, that first impression, like they've always said, you can only make a first impression once.
Right.
And what is how are you looking at this opportunity in the AI environment, or how are you approaching the GTM in this changing landscape?
I think everything has changed, right? What used to take years to build or months to build, today it just takes days to build, in a sense, right? Everything has become AI driven. So the GTM initially, or GTM today is product led. A lot product led.
Okay.
Shipping faster has become the new norm. If you're not shipping faster, if you're not shipping more AI features, you lose out in the longer term, or even in the shorter term now, because it's so fast, right? So a lot of GTM is now becoming AI led, and a lot of features that used to take time to build are getting built faster.
So one thing is changing your kind of business way that you're doing business based on how the customer is changing. But are you seeing any like future trends that you are maybe working towards that would happen, like kind of before they happen, you're kind of getting ready for them?
So see, we are in a SaaS industry, right? And you might have seen everyone is saying SaaS is dead, right? I totally believe somewhere in it, because I feel SaaS will be featureless. By featureless I mean the customer will have the right to build their own features. Like today when I think about SaaS, I have to deliver a feature to a customer, right? Technically a feature could be any widget, any analytics on their dashboard that I'm building for them and showing it to them. But tomorrow, what if I give an AI widget builder and they can just build any kind of analytics or something that they would like to do? So that is something we are working on. I think rather than we building features for the customers, we give them a basic playground on a platform, and they can build features on themselves. That is where we are heading to.
Super, because I mean, at the end of the day, it's customization that they would like, and that they would their customers eventually.
Definitely, they would want it on their terms, with their own. Like enterprises have different requirement, right? SMBs generally have the same requirement, but every enterprise has a different requirement. Now, if they can just build that own requirement on their own and just try it out at least, I think that is where we should head to faster.
Fantastic. We are here at the AWS AI Conclave, so I would like to definitely want to know from you, how are you, collaborating with AWS? How is it? How are you using it in your business?
I think I'll tell you one thing. From the beginning, we have been on AWS, right? We have done 4 billion messages last year,
Wow.
right? We have onboarded more than 100,000 merchants, right? Everything is on AWS, right? The agility of the team, right? The scalability of the platform is amazing. At this point of time, we use EC2, EKS, SNS, SQS, Lambdas, and any customer can come and fire 10 million, 20 million, 50 million messages right away, right?
Wow.
And it instantly scales up, right? And
That's-
that is the power of AWS. I think we are also integrating llamas on Bedrock now, doing something with SageMaker, Open Search, all of these. We are integrating a lot on AI with AWS also now. So yeah.
And the exact point that you said, because sometimes businesses might be seasonal. So for example, if there's a business that does ticketing,
Right.
they might have a season, or maybe they have one mega event this month,
Right.
and the rest of the year,
Yeah,
or rest of 6
definitely,
months, they don't need that capacity. So
Yeah.
yes, definitely this scaling up, scaling down is
Yeah,
too much.
even like someone like a physics wala, right?
Yeah.
They want to broadcast a message to their 5 million students
Yeah.
in one go, right?
Right.
So, such as, let's suppose there's a notification from the government and they want to send it out instantly to everyone.
Yes,
Right?
so
They use
important.
something like an AiSensy to send out these notifications instantly, and it scales beautifully.
That is so important. That's so important.
Definitely.
And what are some next exciting steps for AI Sensei that you can tell us?
So we're building something on ads, right? We have an ads builder, ads
Alright.
platform at this point of time where you can run ads on Meta, Facebook and Instagram. And a lot of creative optimization is done via AI. And a lot of targeting optimization is getting done via AI.
As a business and as a user, I mean, I want to be targeted. I want those ads of products that I'm interested in. I don't
Definitely,
want those,
definitely.
like wasting my seconds on while
Definitely,
scrolling.
definitely.
So Gautam, absolute pleasure talking to you. Thank you so much for sharing about your journey, and we wish you all the very best for
Thanks
the
a lot, Sumit. It was amazing. Amazing having a conversation with you. Thanks
Thank
a lot,
you,
man.
thank you.
Thanks, yeah.